Welcome to dear friend of me, TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, by default we have not activated the AOD feature on our phone here, so we should get the application to do that. And now just we should launch the Play Store application, and then here in the search pool enter the Move with Edge. And now we should get this first application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open this app, click to drop over apps, and find here the Move with Edge. Now just click here once on the swatcher to allow the display over the other apps, and now when we'll go here to the back to the application, we can here select the one from the stems, for example this one. Just click here to apply, and here in the settings section just you should check if the swatcher is activated, so just to activate it always on display. And now we'll just block the device, and you can see that we just successfully activated the always on display feature here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.